Welcome to the 2020 Flexxaire Step and Stride. This year, we've had to go virtual, but that just means that we get to try many different ways of moving. Here at Flexxaire, we're proud to be the title sponsor of Step and Stride for the 5th consecutive year. And let's just say, designing and manufacturing reversible fans for diesel engines right here in Edmonton does come with some perks. Maybe we should turn down those fans. So thank you for getting involved. Your fundraising efforts help fund programs that support Albertans with Parkinson's disease.
And we're looking forward to getting out into nature with you guys next year. But for this year, enjoy Step and Stride with your close loved ones.